What are the key components of ECT? The first one is the ED current probe that contains an AC powered coil to generate the detect ED currents. The second one is the test material, obvious, which is must be electrically conductive material being inspected. The third one is the detector or analyzer measures the interprets the changes in the ED current responsive. Right. Types of the ED current testing method. Here, what are the different kind of the testing AD AD current testing methods are there? First one is conventional ECT. Okay. Second one is pulse ED current, remote ED current, or we can say remote field testing, array ED current testing, and magneto inductive testing. So these all are just a different kind of magnetic ED current testing. Here we have the different descriptions also. Okay, we talk about like what is the conventional AD. So use the single coil for the basic defect detections. Okay, I mean surface crack detection is metal. If surface kind of a defect is there, then we use this. So you just need to know that what are the different kind of the methods that we are having. Okay, so different methods are like conventional and all that. Conventional, PEC, RFT, and these all. Okay.